Hello students.
Hello, sir.
Nice to see you all again.
Thank you, sir.
In our last session, we have seen what we are able to do. I mean, the abilities of ours. Can you remember it?
Yes, sir. We can remember it, sir.
Good. Can you say any one sentence from our last session?
Yes, sir.
Who is ready to say?
I can dance fast.
Very good.
I can eat strawberry.
Excellent.
I can jump slowly.
Marvelous. Please give them a big claps. Thank you. Now in this session, we are going to see what we are not able to do. I mean the inabilities of ours. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Good. Let's start. Dear students, if I know the art of painting, I can easily draw a beautiful picture. But I don't know the art of painting, so I can't draw a beautiful picture. Here, I can't draw a beautiful picture is my inability, which means I am not able to do it. Can you understand?
No, sir. We can't understand.
Can't you understand? Okay, no problem. I will give you another one example. See, this is a cup of coffee. I can't drink the coffee because it's too hot. Another one example I will give you. I can't drive a car because I don't know how to drive the car. Here, I can't drink the coffee, I can't drive the car are my inabilities, which mean I am not able to do it. Now can you understand?
Yes, sir. We can understand.
Good. Dear students, now we are going to express our inabilities in complete sentences. I will tell you one or two examples, then you have to tell some sentences like this. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Good. Example, I can't read. I can't act. Now anyone?
I can't draw.
Excellent. Very good.
I can't write.
Excellent.
I can't smell.
Super.
I can't swim.
Good.
I can't jump.
Very
I can't eat. I can't dance.
Marvelous. Please give yourself big claps. Thank you. Dear students, now I am going to add just one more word with the pattern of the sentence which we have seen already. For example, I can't sing. This is the pattern which we have seen already. Now, a song. This is the only one word I add with the pattern of the sentence I can't sing. Now like this, everyone has to say one example. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Good. Start.
I can't read English.
Very good.
I can't eat an apple.
Excellent.
I can't speak Malayalam.
Good.
I can't talk Telugu.
Outstanding.
I can't smile loudly.
Super.
I can't swim fast.
Good.
I can't jump slowly.
Good.
I can't eat non-veg.
Excellent.
I can't dance Kathakali.
Super. Please put your hands together for your better performance. Thank you. Dear students, now I am going to show you some words in this card. You have to use this word and make a complete sentence by expressing your inabilities. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Right. See the first card.
Cream.
Cream.
I can't eat cream.
Good. Next, horse.
I can't run like horse.
Very good. Post office.
I can't go to post office.
Very good. Car.
I can't drive a car.
Excellent. Rabbit.
I can't jump like rabbit.
Very good. French.
I can't read French.
Very good. Now you all have done a wonderful performances today. My special congratulations to all of you. And then you don't stop this kind of practice with yourself. You have to practice this kind of sentence with your friends, family, and also in the school campus. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Very good. We will meet in our next class. Take care. Bye bye.